Hey folks, this is your girl Juanita here. Welcome to Product Critique. Today's video is about unboxing the Ubeesize video lighting. If you need good lighting for your videos, for your recording, for your pictures, then you want to watch this video. If you find value, subscribe to the channel. Check out the link in the description. Let's dive in. Hello folks, welcome to my channel. Well, today's video on Product Critique, we're going to unbox the LED video light with adjustable tripod stand. Now I'm just going to unbox it for now, and I will have to test it out, and I'll do another video on how much I like this video light. I don't know how many of you need great lighting for your videos, but I'm always trying out different lightings because trying to get the right light. So check this out. If you like this video, or if you have a comment about this light, feel free to leave a description about it, and oh, not a description, I'm sorry. Feel free to leave a comment about this lighting, and then you can click the link in the description to check it out further. But anyway, without further delay, let's knock it out. Okay. So again, it comes with, I kind of popped the top open, but it comes with a little pamphlet. I don't know if you, well, you might can see it because it's the lighting, but anyway, it comes with a little pamphlet, tells you how to assemble it, the normal stuff. And again, it's called the Ubeesize, Ubeesize LED video light with adjustable tripod stand. It also comes in colors. Not sure which one I ordered, but let's dive in. So first of all, I got it from Amazon, folks, and it came delivered in a box like that, saying Ubeesize. I'll turn it over this way because I'm not sure which one. Ubeesize comes in a box like this. Then, folks, let's see what we got. I ordered two. I don't know if I got two. I just got this one box. Aha. Well, tripod. Let's see. I have so many tripods, folks. It's crazy. Anyway, okay. All right. Nice little adjustable tripod. And I haven't played around with this, folks. Look like it's got 3 different levers. Here, here, here. Ooh, okay. Let's up like that. And I'm going to assume these do some adjustable too. So we got that part. That's great. And I guess they all left up, kind of help lift it up. I guess I got to do that when I'm ready. But anyway, here is the tripods. Some knob on the back, on the side. Whoa, okay. All right. Your typical tripod, folks. See, and I guess it lets up, but in the next video, you'll see how I'm using it. So that's what we got, folks, on that one. Let's see. Oh, all right. So I got two tripods, excuse me, which suggests to me that, let's just make sure nothing is different. Let's see. Each tripod is wrapped up in some sort of plastic here. Anyway, seems to be the same as the first one, so I'll just put it down there. So, okay, so maybe I do have 2 tripods. Then, let's see, digging in the box, folks. It also came with 2, looks like, oh, for the camera, 2 spare little screws. I guess to bolt down the camera, or either 2 little comes in a Ziploc bag, but I want to show you guys. Whoops, sorry about that. I dropped it. Now, guys, follow along with me as best you can. I didn't say I was an expert at product review, but I'm becoming one. Okay, so you see that gives you an extra ball that goes down for the tripod. So I just wanted to show you guys that. They give me 2 of them because I ordered 2 tripods. And let's see about the lighting. so far, not a lot of little bitty pieces. So my guess is I should be able to hook this up pretty good. Okay, got another box. Here's a size box, so it's not that big. So give you an idea. So it comes with in another box, like this, just plain box inside of that box. Oh, okay. All right, looks like we got some adjustable. Oh, these are the lights. Okay. So folks, I am waiting to see how this is gonna work. So it looks like mine's mere headlights. Anyway, these are the lights. This is the size they are. Comes with adjustable USB. You put it in the, you know that. Let me show you guys that part. So you stick it in your USB port, and folks, it looks like it has adjustable settings. So we'll see how that works in the next video. Nice. Okay, I'm dying to see how this works. These lights are supposed to help you have better lighting when you're recording videos. And of course, I'm not using it now. Oh, wait a minute. I really gotta see. Oh man, this is amazing, guys. Check this out. Comes with various colors. So if you want to change the lighting, oh, I'm loving this. So if you want to have like a green light, look folks, this is fresh. And if you want to have a black lighting, purple lighting, red lighting. Oh wow, I'm loving this. I love this. I can't wait to try this out, guys. So you get all of this. Seems like this is it. So it doesn't seem very difficult. Folks, if you'd like to try it out, go ahead. The link is in the description. You can get it from Amazon. Yes, I'm an affiliate. But feel free, check it out. You know, Amazon has great customer service. Stuff come back in 30 days if you don't like it. Well, less than 30 days if you don't like it. But nevertheless, the link is in the description. I also want you to know that I'll be uploading twice a week going forward. More than likely to be the Mondays and Thursdays or Mondays and Fridays. So having said that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, Product Review, the unboxing of the video light, Ubeesize video light. See you soon.